Today we're going to get back on the optic. Got a package in from Fine Laser Designs, so we are going to go clipless because RC people hate body clips, and there's a body clip required on this truck, actually 2 of them, and we're going to get rid of those. So there's Fine Laser Designs, packaged beautifully once again. This is not my first time with Fine Laser. Done my early Bronco and my CJ7 with their clipless systems, and they're fantastic. So let's get these laid out here. Got some nice stickers. Got a business card. All right, got some hardware. 4 little ones and 4 big ones. So let's figure out what we got here. So there's obviously a right and a left. And from what I've read, the ones with these little half moons, that is the up position. So there's a left and a right. So let's see, this would be that side, that would be that side. And then they should clippy together, something like that. Yeah. Should clip together like that around the body post. And oof, get these oriented. There we go. So those little half moons end up to being a full dot at the edge. So that's how you know orientation. So those 2 go together, and these 2 go together. So then we have these pieces left over, which have the hole going all the way through. So let's figure out how this works. All right, I got one side installed. It took me a little bit to figure this out, but it's actually pretty neat. Some of the big things to remember is you got to make sure that your battery door is pushed all the way back, as indicated by the notches on the hood and the panel. But basically, this is the block that you install. The cap screws go down through these holes. Let's see if you can see. As you can see in here, cap screws are down inside. Pretty nifty. On the post, the little half moon is at the top. The screw heads should be facing you with this round piece out. Move this around a little bit better. So again, the little half moons lined up to a little dot. This is the surface that's actually making contact with the battery door. And to put it on, keeping it in that configuration, you slide the battery door on. Make sure it's all the way back, and then push this tab toward the center. That sucker is locked in. Like, that's impressive. It's a little cam design that holds it all in. You can see the little tab back here. It's kind of hiding. To open it up, you just kind of come hither towards you, and it opens up. And boom, there it is. That's a pretty slick. I can see me getting used to that, and that's much better than trying to push that pin down through the top and having another piece of your truck and clips and pins and all that stuff to lose. So yeah, I want to go ahead and do the other side, which is where my electronics are mounted. So this one's a little bit more of a challenge to get it out. but just because I have all my electronics in here, so it's going to be a little more tedious to put the mechanism in. But again, it's easy access. It allows me to get to my plugs if I want to make any adjustments. So I'm going to get that installed. And here's a little tip: where the nuts go in the back, the little nutserts are placed. Do that beforehand. You can kind of get them in there. I think on this side, what I'm going to do is just use a little super glue and just kind of zap those in there, just so that they stay while I'm doing the assembly, because it's kind of a pain in the butt to get them lined up once you start getting your fingers in all this little spice. So I'll be back when I get it all wrapped up. All right, that side went much faster and much easier, and all is working. It is slick. That's amazing. So much better than these pins going down through and all that nonsense. If nothing else, now I have a great place to mount some spotlights. Be able to put something in those holes for a spotlight to go in. That'd be pretty cool. Put a little light up there, mini pods or something. But yeah, so Fine Laser Designs once again on another one of my rigs, and I am super chuffed, super happy. I don't foresee any problems with this design holding up. It's just so much easier to put a battery in and out, and I don't have to deal with these or these on the trail anymore. So thanks for watching, and hopefully soon we'll have some more updates, some more additions to the H10 Optic. Until then, see you later. Have fun on the trails.